कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
And as irony would be, today we are again become slaves of a trade which has come by sea, where the coal is being brought from Australia, and when it comes to the Mormugao Port Trust, which is now Mormugao Port Authority, again the coal has to go to other states like Maharashtra and Karnataka. So they are expanding tracks, they are expanding roads, and in the bargain, the beautiful state of Goa is getting destroyed. To the extent, a few days back, even the iconic, most revered temple of Lord Khapreshwar was demolished by authorities to facilitate this expansion. For what? And people who tried to save the temple have been booked. Even yesterday, sir, for facilitating this coal trade, when they were trying to expand the railway tracks, even the sarpanch, a lady sarpanch, has been booked by the authorities. Even the local authorities have become agents of the central agency to suppress.